When trading, there is two different order types. One is a day order and one is good till cancel. What is the difference between these two order types and which one should you use when? That's what we're going to talk about right now. When you place an order, there's 5 things that your broker needs to know. Number 1, your broker needs to know what do you want to trade? What stock or option or futures or ETF? What do you want to trade? Number 2, your broker needs to know, do you want to buy or sell it, right? So this is step number 2 that you need to define if you want to trade. Number 3, your broker wants to know how many shares or options or ETFs do you want to trade? So the quantity. Number 4, the broker wants to know at what price do you want to buy or sell? And the 5th element is how long should this order be valid? Should it be valid for the day or GTC, which means good till cancel? Let me explain to you the difference. When you place a day order, it means that this order is valid for the trading day. So it means that if you place it the night before when the markets are closed, it means that it is valid for the next trading session. And the trading session is from 9:30 in the morning Eastern Time to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, one of the following 2 things will happen with the day order. Either it gets filled throughout the day, and again, since you're specifying a certain price at what you want to get filled, it might or might not happen. When it happens, this order will be filled and then you have a position. If it is not being filled, so if prices never went to the level that you specified, the order is automatically being canceled at the end of the day. That is a day order. So when should you use a day order? For me personally, I use a day order when I want to enter a position. So doesn't matter whether you want to buy a stock because you're betting on a rising market or you want to sell a stock because you're betting on a falling market. When you enter a position, you tell your broker, for today, do the following. If we get filled, yay, and if not, cancel the order. The other option that you have is specifying that the order is good till canceled, which also means GTC. What does this mean? You're again specifying all these 5 things. What you want to trade, whether you want to buy or sell, how many shares or options you want to trade, at what price, and then you say, this order stays in the market until either I'm getting filled at the specified price that I put in there, or until I cancel the order. The main difference is that this order remains in the market until it gets filled or you decide to cancel it. When should you use a GTC order? Well, a GTC order is perfect for your exits. I like to use GTC orders for my profit target and my stop loss. Because if I would only use a day order, it means that at the end of the day, my stop loss and profit target would disappear and I have to re-enter it the next day. This is why I specify my stop loss and profit target as GTC, because as you know, I'm usually in a trade anywhere between 5 and 20 days, and I do not want to re-enter the order every single day. So I want to make sure that either the order gets filled or I manually hit the cancel button to get rid of the order. So in summary, you have 2 different types of orders. A day order, which is only valid for 1 trading day, and these order types are best used for your entries. And you have the other option, which is good till canceled, or abbreviated GTC, and that order type remains in the market until it gets filled or you're canceling it, and that is best used for exit orders. And exit orders for me are stop loss and profit target. Hope that helps, and if it does, please make sure that you like this video, that you also leave a comment and says, yes, helpful, thank you, or whatever you want to say. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell, because when you hit the little bell, you'll get notified whenever I go live or post a new video.
Click on like and leave a comment and let me know what you think. And make sure to subscribe to this channel to get new videos automatically.